Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Matram. Welcome back to the class of Ravi sir, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9 to 12. Students, in our today video lesson of standard 12 maths, we are going to learn the formula of differentiation and integrations. Students, for differentiation and integration, both are opposite to each other. Means integration is a kind of antiderivative, right? So first of all, we will know about antiderivative. A function f of x said to be antiderivative of a function f of x on the interval, close interval ab, if f dash x is equal to f of x for all small x belongs to close interval ab. Integration as an inverse process of differentiation. Integration is the inverse process of the differentiation. If we are given the derivative of a function and asked to find out original function, then this process is called integration, right? So let us see few antiderivatives of derivation. So differentiation of x is to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, we get what? X is to the power n, where n does not is equal to minus 1. So what about the differentiation integration of this function? X is to the power n, we are getting x is to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. C is any arbitrary constant. Let us see the second one. Differentiation of log e is to the power x, we are getting 1 upon x. So the integration of 1 upon x will be what? The integration of 1 upon x dx, we are getting log e is to the power modulus x plus c. Third, differentiation of e is to the power x, we are getting e is to the power x, and integration of e is to the power x dx is equal to e is to the power x plus c. Fourth, differentiation of a is to the power x divided by log e is to the power a is equal to a is to the power x, where a is always greater than 0 and a does not is equal to 1. So what about the integration of a is to the power x dx is equal to a is to the power x log e is to the power a plus c. Fifth, differentiation of minus cos x, we are getting plus sin x, and the differentiation integration of sin x will be what? Minus cos x plus c. C is what? An arbitrary constant. Next, differentiation of, this time we are taking sin x. Differentiation of sin x, we get what? Cos x. So integration of cos x will be what? Minus only sin x plus c. Understood, students? Moving to the next formula. Differentiation of tan x, we will get what? Sec square x, and integration of sec square x will be what? Tan x plus c. Number 8, differentiation of cot x is equal to cosec square x, and integration of cosec square x dx, we will get what? Minus cot x plus c. Understood, student? Let us moving to the next one. Number 9, Differentiation of sec x is equal to sec x into tan x, and here is 8, right, 9, and integration of sec x and tan x, integration of sec x into tan x is equal to sec x plus c. Number 10, differentiation of cosec x is equal to cosec x into cot x, and integration of cosec x into cot x will be what? Minus cosec x plus c. Number 11, differentiation of minus log cos x, this is equal to tan x, and the integration of tan x, integration of tan x will be equal to minus log modulus cos x plus c. Number 12, differentiation of log sin x is equal to cot x, and integration of cot x will be what? Log sin x plus c, log modulus sin x plus c. Okay, 30 number, differentiation of log sec x plus tan x is equal to sec x, and integration of sec x will be what? Log x, no, log sec x plus tan x plus c, log sec x plus tan x plus c. Okay student, now moving to the next formula. Differentiation of log cosec x minus cot x is equal to cosec x, and the integration of cosec x is equal to cosec x minus cot x, log cosec x minus cot x. Next, differentiation of sin inverse x upon a is equal to 1 upon square root of a square minus x square, and integration of 1 upon square root of a square minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse x upon a plus c. 16 number, differentiation of cos inverse x upon a, differentiation of cos inverse, taking cos inverse x upon a is equal to minus 1 upon square root of a square minus x square, and its integration means integration of minus 1 upon a square minus x square dx will be what? Cos inverse x upon a plus c. 17 number, differentiation of tan inverse x is equal to 1 upon a square plus x square, and its integration will be what? 1 upon a square plus x square dx is equal to tan inverse x upon a. 18, differentiation of Cot inverse. This time cot inverse x upon a is equal to minus 1 upon a square plus x square, and its integration minus 1 upon a square plus x square dx is equal to cot inverse x upon a plus c. 19 number, differentiation of 1 upon a sec inverse x upon a is equal to 1 upon x square root of x square minus x a square, and its integration 1 upon x in the square root x square minus x square dx will be what? 1 upon a sec inverse x upon a plus c. Finally 20, differentiation of 1 upon a cosec inverse x upon a is equal to minus 1 upon x into square root of x square minus a square, and its integration will be what? Minus 1 upon x into x square minus square root of x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 upon a cosec inverse x upon a plus c. Okay student, here we are completing today video lesson. I hope you have understood about derivation and anti-derivation. Anti-derivation means integration of the function. Okay students, thank you once again for watching this video till the end.